Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Speedy Travels. So still on the Schengen series, on today's video we'll be looking at Czech Republic. So on your Google Chrome, you type Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Czech Republic. Okay, so you're going to see this form. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this form. So they have different Schengen visas for tourism, medical and spa treatment, business, conference, culture, sports, visiting family or friends, invitation, study, scientific research, employment, seasonal employment, training, airport transit visa. But before we dive right into the video, like the main cocoa, please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video and send this video to someone that it would be of much benefit to guys. Remember that anybody can travel or study abroad with the right information. I strongly believe. So please spread the good news, send it to someone. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. So for you to be able to apply for tourism, that's short stay visa, you have to click on this. So let's go. So once you click on this, it's going to open like this. They said file a Schengen visa application for the purpose of tourism when traveling for individual or organized tourism. Kindly follow these steps. So they said find the consulate or visa center where you will apply, schedule an appointment. Applications are generally filled in person and fingerprints are collected. Okay, so these visas are strictly by appointment. Okay, it's strictly by appointment. You are not submitting by email or any of those formats. File the application presenting the following requirement. You have to present your passport, the passport data page, application form, photo, fees, biometrics data, fingerprints, supporting documents on purpose of stay, for example, organized trip reservation, individual trip reservation, travel agency confirmation, plan of journey, paid or prepaid travel agency invoices, etc. You also have to provide accommodation. I have a video that you can use to reserve accommodation, travel, hotel reservation, even your flight reservation, because you don't even know the decision of the consulate yet. So financial means document proving intention to leave Schengen, mostly air tickets, reservations, you see, other reservations plus proof of ties and integration in the home country, travel medical insurance, supporting documents based on harmonized list. So applications are admissible. That is, they can be accepted and processed only if they confirm to all of the following: content valid passport, fulfilled all of the signed application form and recent passport visa fee and has been paid. Fingerprint has also been collected and application was submitted 6 months at the earliest and 15 days at the last ahead of the trip. Okay, so just so you know, take note. So let's move forward. We want to apply for the visa. Okay, so visa center, you click on it. Okay, so when you click on the visa center, you're going to see visa center outsourcing. So let's just move it. At present, visa center offer their services in the following destination. So they offer in too many destinations in Africa, Ghana, Indian, in Asia, so many places. But I realized that Nigeria was not in this list. But I'm making this video because I'm not just making this video for Nigerians. So now, if you are in Nigeria and you really want to book an appointment, if you are in other nationals, you can just click on the link and it will direct you to the place. But if you're in Nigeria, today is 30th of June 2025. So if you're in Nigeria and you really want to book an appointment, all you need to do is, I've already opened the tab, you type on your Google Chrome Embassy of the Czech Republic in Nigeria. So it's going to open like this in Abuja like this. So to book an appointment for your visa application, please follow the following instruction below. Application for a short-term Schengen visa to the Czech Republic should be scheduled an appointment through the following email. So you have to schedule an appointment. See the email address. Booking limit for appointment all types of short-term visa is 90. The booking will be opened on Tuesday, 15th July 2025 between 8 o'clock a.m. and 2 o'clock p.m. Okay, this is in the Schengen time. Okay, this is in the Schengen time. So you have to check the time in Schengen. If you're in Nigeria, you check the time it will be in the Schengen area. I've already taught how you can do this. Just check the time and then use their time in Nigeria, then you get the appointment. So applicants for long-term visa and long-term residence permit should kindly book appointment with the Czech Republic in Abuja by email. Okay, so the booking will be opened by Tuesday with the same date, the same time, everything. Okay, so if you do not receive your appointment 3 days after the submission, that means you were not successful in the draw and you must try again next month. Do not contact the embassy for further complaints or clarification. So applicants for the purpose of study should schedule an appointment through the following emails. If you're a student, if you want to study, this is the email you are going to schedule your appointment. Application who have been accepted into the Erasmus program, this is the email that you have to also send or email them to this email address. Okay, applicant for the purpose of employment, that's blue card only, should kindly book an appointment through the following email. Okay, so this is just to simplify all of the stuff. Okay, so this one is super legalization of document. The booking will be opened the same day, the same time. Booking limit, so anytime, even if you come across this video after July 2025, all you need to do is just to follow the process. Check when their portal are open for acceptance of application and appointment bookings, then you book, secure a slot. So booking request on wrong email address is considered as invalid and will be given no appointment. So the booking and appointment for visa must contain the following data: first name and surname of the applicant, date of birth, passport number, purpose of travel if you are going for tourism, study, business, unification, phone number, email, attached scan of the passport data page in PDF format, scan of the passport data, scan please, not snap, attachment, scan of the document proving the travel purpose. Now the email booking and appointment for super legalized, this one is for super legalized. Okay, so once you are done with that, they said the appointment dates are final and unchangeable. Cancelled appointment change cannot be replaced by other applicants. So if the applicant cancels his or her appointment, a new appointment must be arranged via email under the above described procedure. There is no other way to make appointments for submission of above mentioned application. The embassy will not respond to attempts which do not follow the above described procedure. Okay, so this is that for the Czech Republic. So if you find this video really helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video to someone that you know it would go a long way for. See guys, you don't need an agent for this visa. You don't need an agent. Okay, see you guys on my next video, and please do not make this your last. Todos.